This is the mystery basket game, where this can be a fun way for students to gamify a school AI space, or if you just have questions. What's going to happen is students will first complete a space. So they jump right in to this space right here. We can see that this space has 7 different steps. And what I need to prepare before or as my students are working through step number 1 is I need to have different baskets. You can have 3, 4, 7, 10, as many baskets as you want to have. And underneath the baskets, you're going to want to put a sticky note with a number. So maybe the number is 1, maybe the number is -4, maybe the number is 5, maybe the number is 10. Whatever you want as your number is what you're going to add underneath that basket. Then students are going to have chips. So they're going to have different chips. And what's going to happen is as they're working through this school AI space, they can enter in, for example, Gina would add 3 chips because she got a 3 on step number 1. Whereas maybe another student over here, DEF, got a 4 on step number 3. So right now this student has a total of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chips that they're able to input into whatever basket they want. So again, as your students are completing, they get to add in all of their different chips based on how they're doing on this activity. You can have your students work individually or in groups. If they're working in groups, one student would join the School AI space, and then they would go in and add in their chips based on that conversation. At the end of the timer, at the end of the space, however you want to decide is when students can add those chips. So maybe you're walking around with chips and you're handing them to the students as their mission control is up. Once the students have their chips, they're going to go and put them into those baskets. And then again, decide, is it a timer? Is it until the space is done and completed? They get to put in those chips into whatever baskets they want to. You're going to reveal the points, and then they get to add up their points for a winner.